you're using. Like this is using 11 point size, and paragraph spacing is this, and section is layout. Now you can further see your styles. You can further edit your styles by going to this dialog box by clicking this button. Alternatively, you can also go from keyboard Alt Control Shift plus S, and when you click it, you will see that normal paragraph is this style. And if I'm going to change it, like if I want to make this thing a heading one, you can simply go and click it, and it will become heading 1, you see. And I'm going to Control Z it, and there is a character style. This A denotes character style. These are character style like intense. If I do this, then it will only change it, and if I choose this strong, it will only make water strong, like, see. So these are the character styles, and there are some paragraph styles, and like this thing will impact whole the paragraph, you can see now. And this will affect title, it will make it title. So there are so many ways that you can work out with styles. So this was one of it. And if you have chosen a theme, it will also make your table change like that. Now if I'm going to change another theme from design, and I'm going to change for example this theme, and I'm going to change its colors from this one. Now see, it is changing, it is impacting whole the document. It's text, its color, and its cover page, everything is changed from this. If I make it grayscale, and it will be showing its impact here as well. Now it is the grayscale. And the last thing that I want to teach you is to create, and the last thing that I want to teach you is the table of content. How do you create this table of content? So it's pretty easy. What you have to do is to go into your document. When you have properly styled it, you will go, now let's see that I have properly styled it, and let's create a cover page. To make it look good, you go from insert to cover page, and you select, it is again depending on your theme, right? You have chosen such theme, and it is therefore bring like that. For example, document title, you can say like monthly report, monthly report November 2023. By clicking this button, you will get the date. Today is 27th of November, and like that. This is my name, and you can change it as well. Now I'm going to insert another page. There are two ways. First is Control Enter, and the other is by going through this blank page. Okay, so now I'm going to create a table of content for it. So I will go to references, and then we'll click table of content. So this is automatic, and you can also manually create it. If you have not designed your document properly, then you will have to use this. Otherwise, if you have properly structured your document, then this is enough. Now see, residential installation summary is on page number 2. Solar installations is on page number 2. Now see here, if I'm going to increase the text or change the heading, for example, wind installations, I'm changing it to wind installed. This same thing will be reflected into this as well by update. Now see, wind installations will be changed to winds installed. See, similarly, if you are going to increase the text in your document, like I'm going to increase the text, Control C, Control V, so it will increase it. Similarly, if I paste it here, just for the purpose of understanding, you can go here and again, and I'm going to paste it here. Now this change will also be reflected in your table of content. I will go here, click it, update table of content, update entire table. Now see, we have 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now see. Now 2, 2, 2, 5 and 7. So whatever change you are going to make in your body or in document will be reflected here if you have proper structure. And proper structure comes from where? It comes from handling this section well. Properly make your heading 1 as heading 1. You can mark it from here, heading 2 to heading 2 and heading 3 to heading 3, and properly mark that this is a paragraph, this is strong. If you work out on that, you will get this section maintained in navigation bar, and then it will create content, table of content on your document. So this is it. Again, now if you are thinking, now if for example you are working in a company that has its own branding style, you can make it. For example, if you are getting a freelancing project, you can create your own style as well. For example, I'm going here and I'm going to create a style for a company that I'm going to work. You can name it yourself. Like for example, you are working for Nike, you can say Nike H1. Nike H1, okay, and now I'm going to click modify. In Nike H1 modify, it is the heading 1, and I'm saying that it will always be this heading, and heading 1 will always be 18, and it will be automatic, and that's it. I'm going to automatically update, click it, and now we have it. Now whenever you will be working on Nike's document, you have this made here. You will just click it and will click this. So now you have a standard headline 1 for your Nike company. Similarly, you can change your other headings as well. Like I want to create a heading 2 for Nike, Nike H2, and then I will click modify. It will modify it, and I'm saying that it will be 14 size, and the text will be this, and the color will be automatic, and I will automatically update it, and OK. So now this is the heading 2, this is the heading 1, and this is the heading 2. So this will help you in maintaining consistent style for your work. If you have other people who work with you, you can simply make them understand, or you convey the message that always use Nike H1 for the headline, and for subheading you can use this section. So I'm going to make it, I'm removing its style like that. Now I'm going to make it heading 2. Now I'm making it heading 2. And for there are other things as well, like you can quote it. If there's a quote, sorry, I'm going to make this thing as a quote. I will go here and will make it quote, and this is a quote. If you like it, okay. If you want to change it, you will go here and then modify, and will make it, give it some other color, and it will come it strongly, or you want to make it bold, underline, whatever, and automatically update it, and this here. So this will always be your code. If your team is going to make something as a code, they will select it and go to this, and it will be a code. Okay, now you have some problem. Now you have so many team members and they all don't know styles and themes. So, but you want to restrict them, and for to restricting them, you will go to review and then protect this document and restrict editing. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my video so that I can come up with more videos because your support is a true motivational factor for me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.